This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making shrimp and broccoli in garlic sauce. I have here 250 grams of broccoli. Cut the broccoli up into small pieces. Presentation wise, you don't want the broccoli to be so big that it overwhelms the size of the prawns. You want the prawns to stand out as well. Some would throw out the stems, but I like the crunchiness of it. So to prepare the stems, just cut away the fibrous outer layers and slice up the inner core. We will also need 12 medium prawns, or large prawns if you are cutting up the broccoli into larger florets. I've just removed the heads and the shells, leaving the tail behind. For the aromatics, we'll be using 2 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped, and 2 slices of ginger. To make the sauce, we will use 70 ml of water. Add in 3 teaspoons of light soy sauce. Quarter teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And 1 tablespoon of cornflour. Stir this well till the cornflour is dissolved. In a pan, pour in about 2 cm of water. Bring this to a boil and put the broccoli in. Cover and let the broccoli steam for about 1 to 2 minutes. After a minute or so, you would see that the broccoli would have turned a brighter shade of green. Remove this and set this aside. Pour away the water and dry the pan. You can leave the pan over the flame to dry it even further. You don't want a wet pan when you put oil into it, otherwise it will splatter. When the pan is dry and hot, over a medium heat, put in 2 tablespoons of oil. Then put in your ginger and garlic. Fry these for 30 seconds till they are fragrant. Then add in the shrimps. Fry the shrimps till they are pink. Next, toss in the broccoli. Give the sauce a good mix, as the cornflour would have settled at the bottom by now. Pour this sauce over the ingredients. Stir fry the shrimps and the broccoli till the sauce has thickened. This should take about 30 to 60 seconds. When the sauce has thickened, turn off the heat. Taste it and adjust for seasoning. And we are done. This is shrimp and broccoli in garlic sauce.